What's going on, my stock market bulls and bears? I'm your host, Terry, and welcome to the channel. Buy the dip, that is right, guys. And we're going to start out here on the whiteboard. We're going to talk about another Tilman Spac deal. We just can't get enough of them. Tilman is consuming our life. Guys, this one we're going to talk about ticker symbol LCY on Robinhood. That is Landcadia Holdings 3, guys. So, big stuff here, man. It just keeps getting better. Tilman always ceases to amaze us. So this Tilman Spac, guys, is going to be really good. And there's also going on about possible rumors of a number 4 deal as well. So we know LCA2 is Golden Nugget Online Gaming. We just covered the video where he's going to be merging his Golden Nugget land-based restaurants with the ticker symbol FST Fast. And now he is going to be merging in, guys, with this company here, the Hillman Group, in a $2 billion merger. Now, this is all in talks right now. And you may be asking yourself, what is the Hillman Group? Who are these people? This is a construction hardware supplier, guys. So think about what's been going on since March with the pandemic. People have been doing home improvements. That's what this place does. They supply the hardware to the stores for like Lowe's, Home Depot, places like that. They may not be working directly with those companies, but they are working with companies similar to those. And guys, hope you're all ready for today's video. Got the cheap pop in there at the bottom. So guys, first link down below. So guys, let's get to the video, baby. Let's go. All right, guys, we got a lot of great information to cover, so let's get in here to it. Here is the article. Hillman is in talks to go public via Fertitta Jeffrey Spac. So this here was published on yesterday, January the 15th. The transaction values combined entity more than $2 billion. Private equity firm CCMP has owned majority stake since 2014. So this here, a construction hardware supplier, Hillman Group Inc., is in talks to go public through a merger with Landcadia Holdings 3, a blank check firm led by our boy billionaire Tilman Fertitta and the Jefferies Financial Group Inc. Rich Handler, according to the people with the knowledge of the matter. All right, guys, so it says here the Special Purpose Acquisition Company, or SPAC, has held talks to raise new equity for investors to support the transaction, which is set to value the combined entity at more than $2 billion, said the people, who asked not to be identified because the matter isn't public. A deal could be announced within weeks, they say. As no deal has been finalized, terms could change or talks could collapse. Private equity firm CCMP Capital Advisors owns Hillman. So guys, this here is the big news that it's not official yet, but they are in talks. And we know here that the CCMP firm has owned this since 2014. So they've had this about 7 years. So I think they would maybe want to unload this into the SPAC and get this off the books, and they get $2 billion. So that would be a pretty good deal, guys. So let's go in here and take a look at it on Robinhood real quick. All right, guys, so here we are. Basically, as you can see, at $10.66, ticker symbol LCY. You can see it right up here, highlighted. There is really very little risk with this. As you know, guys, SPACs have that base price of $10. This SPAC right now is at $10.66. So for every share that you buy, you are only risking 66 cents at this point, because if the merger falls through or you don't like what's going to happen, you always can get a $10 base price back with these SPACs. People know this. So as you can see here, this was hanging around $10.50. That news came out, and then boom, it did shoot up 5% to $11.25, and then basically it sold right back off. So it literally was there for at $2.50, and basically 25 minutes later it was gone. So it was big hype for 25 minutes, and then it was gone, man. So right now it gives a great opportunity if you wanted to get into a play that, I must say, I'm a little shocked. I thought the LCY, which is Landcadia 3, would have been his land-based and his restaurants. I am just honestly shocked, but I guess his Landcadia 3 is looking for more of a construction style company. So that could be why they're looking at the Hillman Group. They're looking to get in there and get public. So it all kind of works out. We learned in the last video that the fast acquisition company, the Spac, is actually looking for a restaurant recovery play. So that just works. It just is crazy how this works out. And we know from Tilman's talks before, he said there's going to be a Landcadia 4. Now, whether that happens or not is still remain to be seen. It's not here on the NASDAQ or anything yet. But Landcadia 3 is here, and it's ticker symbol LCY. So guys, let's go take a look at the actual web page of the Hillman Group and get to know them a little bit better. All right, guys, this is right here on their investor info page. I think it's great that we read this. It really sums up what the Hillman Group is about. They were founded in 1964 and headquartered in Cincinnati, Ohio. Hillman is a leading North American provider of complete hardware solutions, delivered with industry-best customer service with over 26,000 customers. Hillman designs, innovates products and merchandise solutions for complex categories that deliver outstanding customer experience to home improvement centers, mass merchants, national, regional hardware stores, pet supply stores, and OEM industrial customers, leveraging a world-class distribution and sales network. Hillman delivers a small business experience with a big business efficiency. The CCMP Capital Advisors and Affiliates is majority owner of the H-Man Group Holdings, the parent company of Hillman Group. The remaining interests of Hillman Group are held by Oak Hill Capital Management Partners 3, a certain current former members of the Hillman leadership team. And guys, if we go here to their actual website, I think this is pretty neat. I'm gonna make this pretty small so we can really focus on the actual website here. Check this out, guys. Simple solutions for a complex world. They have 24-hour order online, anywhere, anytime. They have a powerful search on their entire catalog, guys. Saved order history for easy reordering. Their website is really neat. I was on here browsing around. Their feature brands: Hardware Essentials, Power Pro, Engineered Performance, Deck Plus, Lifetime Guarantee, Distinctions, and here's some of their top products. They have fasteners, letters and numbers, business, builder hardwares, tool-free mounting. Here's this. I like this really right here. You have a question, call us. You have a number, you can call them. I love that. You can email them. You can contact the special orders team. You can subscribe down here to the mailing list. Guys, they have a little bit of everything. Go up here to the fastening solutions. They have all your different categories here. They have custom solutions. They do keys, engraving, letters, keys, everything you can see here. They have it all, guys. So I think this one here is a very interesting play. And I must say that Tilman here, as you can see, there's LCY. Tilman has kind of put us in an interesting spot, guys. Let's just go over this real quick, and we'll call it the end of this video. So Tilman starts out, gets us GNOG, which is an online gambling platform. So that kind of gets us an internet online gaming play. That play is phenomenal. It's already positive, cash flow positive. They're putting money in the bank. Now, guys, we just did the video on where he's taken his land-based casino, Golden Nugget, and his Landry's restaurants public through the ticker symbol FST, the fast acquisition. Now, that is all in rumors. They're just in talks right now, nothing official. But so he gave us an online, an online mobile kind of stock. Now there's a possibility of a recovery stock with the land-based restaurant and casino. And now he's given us kind of a hardware stock. He has given us like a little bit of everything. There should just be a Tilman Fertitta EFT. So, I don't know. It's kind of like, man, it's a little bit of everything here because we know GNOG is going to be great as they get legal in all states. We know his restaurants are going to do good once the vaccine kicks in and people start getting out, and so with the land-based. And people's always going to be doing home repairs. So, having this construction supplier company is going to be great for the books as well. That is 3 great companies that he's going to have, man. So, these are very interesting plays, and it's cheap enough right now you can get in of low risk before any hype is out, because we know that the FST and LCY right now are currently just in talks, nothing official. But once it gets announced officially, you can expect these to run up 20% probably at a minimum, probably get up right around $12, $13. So I think if you get in now, there's a good chance that you could possibly make some great 20% gains on the short term on this. So guys, hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit that thumbs up and join the Thumbs Up Nation. I love and appreciate every single one of you. And guys, I will catch you in the next one. Remember to buy the dip, baby. Let's go.